Hiding compressed and encrypted data by using a technique of steganography. Abstract: the steganography is a technique which hide the text data in the color and gray images. We can use different type of steganography techniques. Some techniques are used in spatial domain technique. Some techniques are used in frequency domain. Some steganography techniques are very popular like LSB, MSB, and 7 bits in hiding the invisible information in various file formats images. In this paper, steganography and cryptography is combined for hiding and unhiding a text file into an image file. Data compression is also used in this technique. LSB insertion technique is used for steganography and LZ algorithm is used for data compression. Cryptography is done with RSA algorithm. Keywords: LSB insertion technique, RSA algorithm, LZ algorithm, compression encryption. Introduction. In current scenarios, secret messages can be sent by hiding in an image or a text so nobody other than sender and receiver can read or see the message. With the help of steganography, confidential data can be sent over the computer networks safely. So hiding and unhiding of data is known as steganography. In steganography, the image which hide the data is known as cover image because it covers the secret message, and after hiding the data image is known as stego image. In steganography, LSB insertion is a very popular and commonly applied technique for embedding data in a cover file. The LSB embedding technique suggests that data can be hidden in such a way that even the naked eye is unable to identify the hidden information in the LSBs of the cover file. It is a spatial domain technique. Cryptography is method which convert the text in codes so that intruder is successful in finding the secret message. It cannot be readable by intruder. So if we apply steganography and cryptography, then it will provide double layer of security. Image compression is used to reduce the size of message so that message easily hide. In this paper we are lossless compression technique named LZ algorithm. 2. Proposed technique. In the proposed method, steganography and cryptography is used to send the compressed secret message at the side of sender, and at receiver side message is decrypted, decompressed and extracted from the stego image. LSB encoding algorithm. LSB encoding algorithm works in binary data, so firstly we have to convert our image in binary format and then embedded the message bits with cover image pixel. Each pixel's least significant bit will be replaced by message bit. In this way data will be hid in cover image. Hiding data. LSB decoding algorithm. LSB decoding technique is used for extract the secret message from cover image. After extraction of message, this message is decompressed and decrypted by secret key and original message is find out. Unhiding data. 3. Experimental work and results. Now we will compare both images cover and stego by using MSE PSNR and correlation. We will use 3 image formats: BMP, GIF, PNG. MSE. In statistics, MSE is known as mean square error. It should be less for cover image and stegeo image. The MSE between cover file and stego file is calculated as per MSE equals .mn, I1, mn, I2, mn, 2/m *n. M and n are the number of rows and columns in the input images. PSNR. PSNR between cover image and stego image is calculated by given equation. A higher PSNR indicates that the quality of the stego image is similar to the cover image. PSNR equals log 10, R2/MSE. In the previous equation, R is the maximum fluctuation in the input image data type. Correlation. Correlation, a best-known method, not only evaluates the degree of closeness between two functions but also determines the extent to which the cover image and the stego image are close to each other even after embedding data. The MSE, PSNR, and correlation values for various image file formats are shown in the table. The results show that MSE, PSNR, and correlation are in comparison with already existing results. The MSE obtained for different file formats varies from 2.6 to 4.0 and PSNR varies from 42.15 to 49.42 dB, and 99.98% of correlation is obtained with the proposed technique. 4 conclusions. When we send a secret message on internet, it is very risky. But this technique is very useful to send the data safely. In proposed method only sender know how the hide data and only receiver know how unhide the data. Besides these two person nobody knows about the secret message so data is sent safely. With images. Cover image and Stagio image are similar in quality. Nobody can see the message with naked eye.